viewers, today we have this TV. It is a TCL 55P P72. So this is how it is. So it is not showing anything. Wow. So it's not showing anything. So I've changed another place, but any difference, it's not doing anything. So we have repaired it. And it came back. So this is it is, you can see it is showing nice and clear. So in case you have any TV for repair, I'm around at the electronic shops. Yeah, Hunters, Santon and Equit. So this one was not switching, was not doing anything. Now this is it is. So you can see. Let me put it on again. You can see the word it is saying. Android. Yeah, nice and clear.